Bum 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 bum.
Tomatoes?
Hello, welcome to the video for what is camera projection mode. Let's run through our quick little example. When I hit play, we're in our normal projection mode, which is perspective. When I hit do something, we use my node and I'm now in the projection mode, orthographic. Now, perspective and orthographic are the two primary viewports, views, projection modes. Perspective is where we have depth. Everything looks like it would in the real world. Orthographic is where everything is flat. That's why when I'm in this top-down 2D view, you're not seeing any real depth. And why when I play this, it looks like everything is basically flat. Orthographic's traditionally for things like a 2D game, where you don't really need the depth. Let's look at the node. Node is pretty simple. There's actually two of them that do the same thing. If we type in projection mode, and we have context sensitivity on, you're not going to find it. We need to make sure it's unchecked because the projection mode nodes are run off of the camera component. Now there are two versions here. One is under camera, one is under class camera component. Let's go ahead and look at this one. These are the two nodes here. They will do the same thing. Basically, the camera, if we pull it up in our generic camera, has a camera component, which is this, and has a property called projection mode, right here. Using this node sets the projection mode directly. Using this node basically sets the projection mode indirectly. They're going to accomplish the same thing. Let's look at them. They're going to take in a camera component. So in this case, I'm getting the camera off of my player and plugging it in as the target. If you try to compile without a camera, it will not compile. And the only option you have is the projection mode, orthographic or perspective. In this case, I am changing it to orthographic when I click my button. So when I click it, we're now in orthographic. You can change the camera mode projection style inside the camera itself here, or using our node here. You can also get the camera mode by just simply using the get projection mode when you're pulling off the camera component, which is what I'm using to print out projective, perspective, or orthographic. So that's it. That is going to wrap up our projection mode node. It's so you can change the mode of your projection at runtime between orthographic and perspective.